In the agent-first era, your developers are empowered by AI coding assistants, and they are shipping features faster than test engineers can create, maintain, and debug tests, thus hitting an automation wall. Generic coding assistants are not very reliable for testing workflows, and building these workflows in-house can be time-taking and expensive. AI-native test engineers need agentic workflows purpose-built for testing, which is why we built Test Companion, an AI assistant for everything test automation to help you author, execute, debug, and heal functional, visual, accessibility, and other automated tests using natural language prompts. And you can see it in action immediately. Just add it as an extension from the VS Code Marketplace. Sign in with your BrowserStack credentials and start prompting right away. For our demo, this is the website we're going to test today.
Testing starts with requirements, so I'll just drag the PRD for bstackdemo.com directly into the chat. I'm asking Test Companion to create manual test cases based on these requirements, and in minutes it will build out a full suite.
You can also give Jira tickets, Confluence docs, or even images as an input for test cases.
30 detailed cases organized across 5 distinct scenarios. Each case is complete with preconditions, steps, and assertions. I don't have to jump between tools to refine them. I can edit everything right here in the IDE. Once they look good, I just select my project and sync them to BrowserStack Test Management with one click.
After generating test cases, we can handle test automation right here with a single click. Test Companion goes to work in the background. It reads the description, understands the expected behavior, and starts the process. Notice what's happening in the action plan on the left. The AI isn't just generating generic code. It's actually exploring our specific project repository. It scans our existing configuration files, locates our page objects, and maps out the existing UI elements, so it can write a test that fits perfectly into our current framework. Once it validates the flow, look at the right panel. It instantly generates a clean, structured playwright test script, complete with assertions, perfectly aligned with our team's coding standards. Test Companion goes a step further and runs the newly created script in the terminal to verify its stability. The browser spins up, executes the automated steps in real time, and passes. It even goes ahead and updates the automated column against our test case.
Now let's look at the real game changer, mobile. I'll upload our app and ask Test Companion to explore it to find any coverage gaps. Notice how the agent launches a session on a real device right inside my editor. It's not just scanning, it's intelligently navigating the app like a human tester to identify missing scenarios. It then generates a coverage gap analysis, suggesting new, critical test cases that our original documentation missed. This is testing on actual hardware, managed entirely through a simple conversation. And just like before, we can just add it back to our project in test management.
For automation, Test Companion scans your repository to identify the framework, language, and patterns required to generate test scripts. It then launches the app to detect the specific selectors needed to author those scripts. Once it gathers all necessary data, it generates a production-ready test script and executes it to verify the generated test actually passes. It updates the test case as automated, and we can close the loop on automation.
Finally, we all know that maintaining tests is usually the hardest part. When a test fails, I don't need to dig through endless logs. I just click Fix. Test Companion analyzes the failure, identifies the root cause, like a changed UI selector, and generates the fix for me. I can review the diff, apply the change, and get back to green instantly.
Note that this workflow looks exactly the same for web testing as well.
From generation to execution and maintenance, the entire testing lifecycle now lives exactly where you code.
We have seen how easily you can author, execute, debug, and heal tests with Test Companion. What's more, Test Companion syncs with BrowserStack tools such as test management to maintain your test repository and track execution, validate, and improve automation stability with test reporting and analytics, and execute the tests on BrowserStack's real device cloud. Install the extension and try it yourself today.